tutorial is about getting out of a tight parking space in reverse. The cars to the left, the right, and at the back are very close. What should you do in this situation? Let's think. You need to exit the parking space and put the car in this position. And to turn the car, you need to move. Where? You can move back. But you're afraid of turning the wheel? And rightly so. You know that first of all, you need to move out of the space and then turn. But when you do move out, what space do you have left? To move, to maneuver, to turn the car. Right! No space at all. You need to compromise. You can't turn, but you do need to turn. This is what you're going to do. Turn the wheel just as much as you can. Steer and move a little. You know that the front of your car will get close to the neighboring car. We do it on purpose. Get as close to the neighboring vehicle as you possibly can. Move and keep a short distance between the cars. You'll have to constantly steer to the left and the right. You need to maintain the tiniest interval. This is the basic condition. You need to steer a lot and do it very precisely. This is very important. In this case, your car turns a little while still in between the cars. And this means a lot. It will make it much easier for you to steer when you move away from in between the cars. It goes without saying that you need to feel the dimensions of your car. You can watch a tutorial on this topic on YouTube. To watch it, just click the icon at the top right corner. If you don't have enough space to maneuver between the cars, you can do an additional movement. Move straight back, and then move forward and get very close to the left car. Just as close as you possibly can. You'll have to steer to do it. Then move away a bit, not to hit the car. And back to the car, not to move too far away from it. Only then can you move back. In the same way as in the first example. If the space is really tight, try moving not just straight back, but turning a little at the same time. Just like in the first example. The only difference is that you're not trying to exit the parking straight away, but trying to get closer to the car on the left. And now you can exit the parking space. And another tip. When you park, think ahead of how you're going to exit. Leave more space on the side where you plan to exit, and less space on the side where the back of your car will go. But don't overdo it. Keep it in mind that the driver of the neighboring car can also have little experience, and he or she may exit the parking before you. And who knows, maybe he or she didn't watch this tutorial.